BNP Paribas profit beats estimate as terrible loan provisions dip. Paris French bank BNP Paribas OTC, BNPQY, reported better than expected income within the second sector, after bad loan provisions dipped notwithstanding the economic slowdown and as businesses remained buoyant, especially in its investment banking division. France's biggest listed lender stated on Friday its net income rose 9.1% to €3.18 billion, $3.25 billion, year-on-year at the same time as an casual consensus circulating amongst analysts noticed internet income at only about €2.70 billion. Across the institution, sales rose 8.5% to €12.78 billion and faster than operating charges have been up 7.6% at €7.72 billion. The price of hazard, which reflects the cash set aside for failing loans, stood at €789 million, approximately €100 million beneath common expectancies, while the financial institution harassed its prudent threat control, in an assertion. Activity grew across company lines, with the unit domestic to retail banking up 11.1% while funding banking also shone with a 10.6% upward push. BNP's revenue in fixed income, currency and commodities buying and selling rose with the aid of 14.8% in the second zone, even as fairness trading revenue won 16.1%. Shares of the French bank have underperformed European banks so far in 2022, losing about 26.5% of their fee, against 22% for the sector's index. European banks this week supplied flashes of particularly good news on income, with buyers on the lookout for signs that a weaker economy, surging inflation and the conflict in Ukraine ought to hit their outlook. Deutsche Bank (ETR), DBKGN, published a better-than-expected 51% upward thrust in second quarter profit as investment banking revenues rose, even as UBS posted a smaller-than-expected quarterly earnings as turmoil in financial markets harm its wealth control businesses. Graphic: BNP Paribas trails behind Europe's banking index in 2022-20 Image p. C 201,659,700,548,504.png, $1 equals €0.9790.